Hey y'all. So today I just received an order from a new website that I came across. It's called Tanga.com. And I was just searching for a new microwave to replace the one that I have because the one that I have has like rust inside of it and stuff like that. It was like a secondhand microwave that somebody had gave me. So I was looking to replace it. So I just did a general search on Google to see if I could find a cheap microwave. And this is one that came up and it was only $30. So I clicked on, I wasn't familiar with the website, but I clicked on it anyway because it was only set $30. And I was like, okay, let me see what this is. And I kind of was skeptical about it because it's like one of those websites you can't find a lot of information on, but they do have their credentials and everything on there. So I just took my chances anyway and went on and got it. But it's an open box item and it's the Cuisinart. So I thought that was a really good deal for $30. I think it was regular 100 or something like that. I'm not for sure, but this is how it comes. FedEx just delivered it, and it only took a few days. It didn't take that long for me to receive this. But they also give you a deal if you order something. If you order something, you can get like so many points added to your account if you sign up for, emails and things like that or something like that. But I was skeptical about it, so I did not do all of that. But right now we're gonna unbox and see how, it looks and everything because it is an open box item and that's why the price was so low. So I just want to make sure everything is good with it. So let's unbox it. Shouldn't be though. So it looks so far so good. So this is the microwave plate. It's actually brand new condition, this part so far. So I don't know, it might be a brand new item. This is nice. It's a nice size. Nice size. It looks brand new. I think this is brand new. I don't see any imperfections so far. So let me finish opening because I'm gonna need both my hands and I'll get back. Y'all, so I got it out the box. This is a brand new microwave. I only paid $30 for this microwave. Brand new. Perfect condition. Everything inside. No damage. This microwave is in perfect condition. As long as it works, this is perfect. For $30, this is a really good deal. Perfect condition. Everything is still taped up. There's no marks, no dents. Nothing is wrong with this. Okay, so now I'm going to wipe it off, and I'm going to set it up to see if it works, make sure it works. For reference, this is the microwave that I am replacing. On the outside, it doesn't look bad. Like I said, somebody gave this to me, so I wasn't picky. But on the inside is where the problem is. It looks gross. You know, it has all this rust, and I believe that can become a hazard at some point. So this is why I'm trying to replace it. I don't really use the microwave much, but my son uses it often, so you know, I don't want any problems. So that's why I replaced it, but this is the one I'm replacing. So this is what the microwave looks like on my stand. Perfect fits. I have all the stickers still on there. This is a brand new microwave. I've already wiped the inside of this out. I don't see any imperfections at all. And be careful when you out buy microwaves, because when I was young and I got my first microwave in my first place, I ended up pulling this paper off, and that will make your microwave stop working. I pulled that paper off as soon as I bought my microwave, and then it stopped working the same day. It went out. So be careful with that. But yeah, I'm gonna take all of these. Let's see if I can get this off. It has all of the film and everything on there. So that's it. I'm gonna make sure that it works also. So let me do that, and I'll be right back. See? And it works. This is hot. So it is functioning just fine. It works good. I just took the sticker off the top of here and I put it here because I didn't want anything on the outside. I don't like stickers and things on the outside of my items. But that's it. I think this is a very good deal. This was only $30. So if you're in the market for a microwave, for sure I would say go to Tenga.com and grab this microwave for $30. A Cuisinart microwave for $30. You can't beat that price, especially for a brand name and something that, you know, looks this good as well. So I would say go to them and check them out and see. You know, I don't know what all they offer because I really was just testing out the website because I didn't know if it was legit or not. But now that I see that it is legit, I probably more than likely will be making more purchases from that website, depending on if they have anything else that I need. But yeah, I would say check them out. Tenga.com. $30 microwave. I don't think anybody can beat that price for, you know, a microwave like this. But yeah, that's all I got today. And I like to share, you know, when I find different deals and everything, I like to share them with you all, you know, just in case anybody could use it. So, yeah, that's about it. So I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.